Today we will discuss about NOR gate. NOR gate is nothing but one of the universal gate. NOR gate can be defined as addition of complement. That means NOR gate is the not OR gate. In OR gate it is defined as the general addition, but NOR gate can be defined as the addition of complement. Logic symbol of NOR gate. We will take two input variables A, B, y equal to a plus b whole bar. Here we can see that the logical symbol like the OR gate, but the bubble is there in the output. So y equal to a plus b whole bar. Here a plus b whole bar is the addition of complement. In another logical symbol example is, take two input variables a, b, OR symbol. In this output we can add NOT symbol, then it will be considered as NOR gate. Y equal to a plus b whole bar. Truth table of NOR gate. In this truth table we contains inputs and outputs. Above logical symbol we take two input variables. Therefore the truth table has two input variables a, b. Output equal to y equal to a plus b whole bar. Here n contains 2, therefore 2 square tends to 4. There are 4 combinations are present in input variables 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In general the addition 0 plus 0 equal to 0, but here complement of addition is 1, opposite of OR gate. 0 plus 1 0, 1 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0. This is the truth table of NOR gate. In this truth table we have 4 different combinations, so the time will be taken 4 different times: T1, T2, T3, T4. Timing diagram of NOR gate. Timing diagram. In above truth table the times are 4 different times we take: T1, T2, T3, T4. Two input variables a, b, and the output y. A have 0 0 1 1, b have 0 1 0 1. The truth table will becomes two low levels, two higher levels, low level, high level, low level, and final high level. The output will becomes 0 plus 0. In general addition 0 plus 0 equal to 0, but the complement of addition 0 plus 0 equal to 1 because of a plus b whole bar. 0 plus 1, 0, 0, 0. The timing diagram output will becomes high level, 1 high level, 3 low levels. This is the complement of OR gate. In OR gate, the input any one have comes, therefore the output will be 0. Here 2 zeros, therefore the output will be 1. But here 1 0 1 1 comes, and here 1 0 and both ones comes, therefore the output will be 0 0 0. This is the timing diagram of NOR gate. But in NOR gate the timing diagram will be opposite of NOR gate. This is the timing diagram of NOR gate. NOR gate logical symbols. Not only we take AB, we take A, B, C, D up to so on n input variables. The output only comes 1, y equal to a plus b whole bar. Here bar indicates the complement of a plus b. Truth table. We know that truth table consists inputs and output. Here A, B are the two input variables. Y equal to a plus b whole bar is the output of two variables. Here 2 power n takes two input variables, therefore the combination will becomes 4 combinations: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The output will becomes 0 plus 0 in common addition. 0 plus 0 equal to 0, but the complement of addition 0 plus 0 equal to 1, and 0 plus 1 equal to 0, 1 plus 0 equal to 0, 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Here we take 4 different times in 4 different combination, therefore T1, T2, T3, T4 are the times of 4 times of input variables. And finally timing diagram. Timing diagram is, here we take 4 different times and 2 input variables, 1 output, y equal to a plus b whole bar. In above truth table, A takes 0 0 1 1, B takes 0 1 0 1. 2 low levels, 2 high levels, 1 low level, 1 high level, 1 low level, 1 high level. The final output is 1 high level, 3 low levels. This is the timing diagram of NOR gate. Thank you.